If wrangling V-flats feels like wrestling a stubborn sail in the wind, it's time to put it on wheels. The Kupo Foamcore holder stand with wheels is your new unset sidekick for lighting control, DIY backdrops, and bounce boards that actually stay where you put them. Lockable casters let you glide Foamcore anywhere on set and makes repositioning effortless. Need to tweak a bounce? Block some light? Easy. The adjustable jaw grips boards from 1 to 3 inches thick. Just loosen the wing nuts and slide the jaws back and forth. No wobble, no slipping, no "who moved my bounce" panic moments. The center post telescopes from 26.7 inches up to 45.8 inches to support a wide range of size boards. The Kupo Foamcore holder stand with wheels. Lock in, roll out, and take control of your light. One smooth move at a time.